Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Warm welcome to the third Global Education and Skills Conclave. We had a couple of very exciting panel discussions in the morning, and now we have an interesting discussion session from Crestron Electronics, who would be talking about the solutions and especially how can it be beneficial for the education sector. So we have with us Mr. Jayaprakash Chinnamuthu, Director Customer Experience for Crestron India. Jayaprakash, we have here with us 3,000 educators, both from higher education and school education watching. So over to you, if you can talk about the different facets of your solution and how they can be beneficial to both higher education institutions and schools. Thank you.
Sure. Thank you. Can you please bring up the presentation? Yeah. Thank you all for joining this session. Just a quick introduction before we go into the topic to the company that I represent, Crestron. Crestron is a global company. We are based at New Jersey, which is in the east coast of the US. Crestron is basically a manufacturing company who bring in technology into uh, the campus, the education campus, for a lot of different applications that are there. We are primarily into automation, audio, video, and unified collaboration spaces. And today's topic, if you see, is more of a hybrid campus. Post COVID, we all know that it's really becoming challenging to have or bring all people back into the campus. And most of the time, it is that we just need to have a call to discuss our sessions with our students who are connected to us. And the challenge is that most of the educators are really do not have the right tools to do this education, because they're all tied to a laptop or to a tablet, and they really need to do all the teaching from there, which they have never been used to in the past so many years. And again, video is no more a luxury. Video has become a necessity today. Everything is on video. Even the session that we are doing is completely virtual, and we really need to get geared up for that. So welcome to the hybrid learning environment that is there. As Crestron, we offer technology for every part of your campus. So you may have different type of spaces across your campuses, starting from simple basic classrooms where you want to enable hybrid learning, where you want to have part students physically present inside the classroom and part of the students who are remotely connected all get the same single experience. So we provide a wide variety of solutions, starting from classrooms to the technology piece that are there in the lecture theaters, to mini studios for you to easily enable the educators to remotely connect and deliver their sessions. And across the campus, we have so many different spaces that normally we see in a campus. You see active learning spaces, you have lecture halls, you have auditoriums, the multi-purpose spaces that are the public areas, and more importantly, the simulation labs and the facilities where you do your research and those kind of applications that are there. So all these spaces today demand hybrid collaboration. So meaning that there would be a part of the students who are physically present within these spaces, and there could be a part of the students who are remotely connecting from outside. And this remote connectivity is really becoming a necessity today. And there are a lot of different platforms that are there to connect remotely. But Crestron, we primarily have partnership with Microsoft and Zoom. We offer native solutions of Microsoft Teams, wherein you could use the Teams as a platform to have your students remotely coming into your hybrid spaces. Or you could use Zoom as a platform and you could have students coming into your spaces. Or we could also give open device that is there, which where you could use any platform, wherein you can have connectivity over any of the cloud connected platforms that are available today. So this way we really bring in a lot of experience. The advantage of going with the native experience or native Teams or native Zoom is that these platforms offer a lot of nice features. Like for example, if at all I'm walking into a space and I want to start a session, typically normally what you do is you fiddle with your computer and you need to join a call and join a link and things like that. Whereas with partnership with Microsoft and Zoom, we offer a simple, seamless one-touch solution, meaning that you enter into a space where you wanted to do your session. You just go there and you just hit a join button because the schedule is already there. And with one touch of a join, you're on the call in less than 10 seconds. So the startups time for any session that you deliver is very, very minimal. With one touch of button, you'll be able to join the session and everybody who's connected is on the call and you can just focus on your content rather than on the technology piece that is there. We also offer a lot of other challenging applications that are there in terms of the hybrid learning, particularly when it comes to sharing my marker board or a normal whiteboard onto a Teams call. It is really a challenge. So we offer native features, like for example, when you want to share a content, typically you can share content from your laptop or a document camera or any of these devices that are very good teaching aids. But majority of the time, the best teaching aid is a simple marker board or a whiteboard. So in partnership with Microsoft, what we do is we bring this magic whiteboard, or it's an AI-based whiteboard that is there, wherein you can easily share your whiteboard, and the AI automatically identifies where your whiteboard is in the room. And when you're going in front of the whiteboard and writing, whatever the content is already written on the whiteboard or your chalkboard or marker board is visible through you. So you're visible translucent on the far end. And this can be shared over your call so that the students who are connected remotely will also be able to see this. In addition to that, not just a video call, we also offer automation in that. Basically, when you're going to larger spaces, complicated spaces, you really wanted to control things like lights or wireless presentation or scheduling or occupancy sensing and things like that. We can integrate all these systems into a seamless single one-touch experience, wherein from the same UI, you'll be able to say, adjust your lights, adjust your shades, close your shades, and things like that. To achieve this, we offer a wide variety of devices for every different type of space within your campus, starting from personal spaces where you have say, your executive members who are there, the deans, the HODs, the principals of the organization and things like that. We offer seamless collaboration tools for their personal cabins that are there. Then going into small collaboration spaces that are there, to medium-sized classrooms, to really large collaboration spaces like lecture theaters and auditoriums. We offer a wide variety of devices and solutions that are there in partnership with Microsoft Teams and Zoom. Uh, these are some nice gadgets which are there for personal workspaces where you can do a video call from this device, and you really need not fiddle with your laptop and things like that. One touch join, you join the call, and you have a very high quality audio video experience from these devices. We also offer a little more larger spaces. You have a bigger cabin in your organization. You really want to have the same one touch experience of Microsoft Teams or Zoom. We can bring those solutions natively. And like this, we have so many different devices that are there which can integrate natively with Teams, Zoom, or with BYOD as well. These are some of these solutions that are there for every different type of space, and very easy to install, easy to maintain, and easy to use as well, because you're already familiar with the Microsoft Teams or Zoom platform on your laptop or on your personal devices. And when you come into the space, into your room, into your classroom, into your auditorium, you have the same experience over there. The icons are the same. Everything is very, very familiar for you. And we also offer these portable devices which are there, which can quickly enable any space into a collaboration space, wherein you have everything in a self-contained trolley-based system that is there. A mobile cart wherein you just plug power to it and it's on its own, and you just hit a one-touch join and you'll be able to join the call. In addition to that, we also offer a native plus BOD experience, wherein the native Teams or Zoom can happen over one touch, but you wanted to join some invite from some guest lectures which is coming from somewhere else, and you want to use the large screen, the camera and the microphones over there, you could still do so in those spaces just by plugging a HDMI and USB into your laptop or your computer, and you'll be able to start any session and you'll be able to present into those spaces. So in short, this product category that we call the Crestron Flex helps you support the entire smart campus for 2021 and beyond. We have complete collaborative technology, which is a center of work experience. It's a hybrid learning environment that is there. You can have all your video conferencing and the audio visual and the lighting and the other things integrated into one single system and work so easy. And why with Crestron, if you see, as we discussed in the session now, Zoom and Teams are natively integrated. A majority of you are either on these platforms. So you have a one-touch experience with all the native features of Zoom or Teams platform that you could leverage. We have BOD support where you could plug a laptop or a computer into the system and you can use any other calling platforms that are there. We have simple to deploy solutions. It's very simple plug and play. Just connect all these, hook the power, and just enter the credentials and good to go. We also have centralized management, which I'll discuss in a quick slides coming. The audio and video quality is a killer audio and video quality, exceptional audio video quality, and multiple form factors of devices that are there, and all integrated as one single piece. So you can just use so many different a combination of devices that are there to achieve the end goal of whatever you really need to achieve. Whatever the simple to the most complex systems can be achieved using a single Crestron platform. On top of all this, once after deploying all these technology, how do you manage this? So we had an award-winning platform called as Exeo Cloud, wherein you could use a centralized platform to manage all the technology pieces within your campus, including your projectors, your display devices, your audio-visual systems that are there, your microphone systems, your speaker systems. Everything could be centrally managed and monitored. So even before a user of the system or the staff detect that and report back to you from a centralized management console, you'll be able to know whether the systems are functional or not. So, and you'll also be able to provide remote support. So from a simple web browser, you can just log into the space, into the, say, the lecture theater, and you can provide remote support. You can remote touch, and you can provide a complete remote support from a centralized location rather than running from one class to another classroom or one lecture theater to another lecture theater to help people to connect to calls or whatever the support that they require. So in a quick summary, I just want to summarize all this together. If you see what Crestron as a whole we offer is so many different type of solutions. We have about 3,000 products in our product portfolio, where we can give a combination of all this for any type of space that is there, any technology piece that is required to do your audiovisual needs or collaboration needs. We have all that within one single Crestron. So this is just a quick summary of what we do. And really thank you all for this really wonderful opportunity that has been given to us to present our solutions to you. And we really look forward to hearing from you in the near future and happy to help. We have a very nice experience center of all these solutions live at our Crestron Experience Center in Bangalore. We invite you to visit our experience center to experience all these hybrid learning solutions where you can touch and feel, you can really know how it works, a complete hybrid learning scenario that is there. And we also have a lot of job references in India wherein we could help visit such smart campuses that we have built in India as well as abroad as well. So we have a lot of campuses across the globe that has been integrated with Crestron, from the US to the Australia to the Singapore, Malaysia, as well as in India. A lot of leading institutions they use the Crestron's smart campus technology to have all these integrated as one and work together. In case if you would like to test any of these in your campus, we have these available as a POC, a proof of concept that can be set up in one of your classrooms or lecture theaters, and we could live demonstrate in your live environment and ensure that you have full confidence before you go for the actual purchase. So we have an entire team from Crestron in India, and we have partners across India to help you design, implement, and support these solutions for you. Thank you all for the opportunity, and hope I'm on time.
Thank you, Jayaprakash. Thanks for letting us know about the Experience Center and the POCs. So that was Jayaprakash Chinnamattu, Director Customer Experience, Crestron India. And as we continue for today's session, thanks, Jayaprakash. Have a good day.
Thank you all so much.